Had a little bit too much of Hennessy.
Perfect, babe.
Okay.
What we doing here today is 2 ribeye steaks. These are some nice steaks. I would say they're about 1 inch thick, which I think is a good bite. It could be a little bit more fat on them. I just like my fat on my beef. That's the only fat that I really like, besides my bacon. But this is good. It's gonna go down. We got some black pepper. You can use black crushed peppercorn. See, I just fucked up.
You can't cuss on YouTube.
I just messed up again. We're gonna use some garlic and herb. Miss Dash, salt free. You know, I'm not a big fan of salt, but I like salt in my food. I try to stay away from it as much as I could.
Talking too much.
Okay. We got some parsley flakes. That's true though. But people like realism. I don't know. It depends on your fans. Parsley flakes, salt, olive oil, 100% pure.
Yes.
Butter. We're gonna use half of that.
Stick of butter.
Stick of butter.
Oh my God.
Excuse my kids.
Go.
Okay. First thing we're gonna do, we're gonna start off with this olive oil, and we just gonna.
You've already pre-rubbed the top.
I did. I did the bottom too, but it's important that you do the top side. What you want to do is pre-rub this with a little bit of olive oil. You just take a little bit. This is what I did. Put it on my hand, and I just rub it. But what you want to do is get the sides, and that's what I didn't do yet. You want to make sure you get some oil on the sides. And what this is doing is just, I guess, protecting the meat. You know, when you put it in the pan, it's not gonna burn too soon. You wanna get a nice char. Add the salt. Now, my hands is wet.
You cooking? Flip them over. Wipe it off. On that, you did that side already?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Just want me to put them over.
Okay, a little bit of salt. Can you go back? Please go upstairs and put some clothes on. Hey. That's a lot of salt.
It's on the steak already. You can hit it with the pepper now. Not too much, but you want to get it all over. Before we flip it, we're going to hit it with the garlic and herb next.
Please stop screaming. We'll put that in the butter.
Okay.
So do the other side.
That's why we need a woman in the kitchen, y'all. Because mine just might have tasted alright, but mine's going to taste extra good.
Not too
much
much.
Salt last time, so we're just going to go light this time. Hit it with the pepper. It's good to season from a distance. You can see it actually hit the meat.
Okay. All right, give me the olive oil. Okay. And we're gonna come over here. I'm gonna turn on the stove.
Tell me how you want it. Yeah. Call me and I'm on my way. Tell me that you need me. Yeah. I'll give it to you night and day. I'm talking about Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. 24/7. Yeah, all day, yeah, yeah. 24/7.
Loving the shit out you, fucking the shit out you for 7 days straight, and now I can't live without you. And if we ever broke up, I won't have a kid without you. You forever in my heart. I won't forget about you. I be crushing you on Monday like it's Wednesday. You pressed about that nigga with your friends say.
63
is what your Ben say. I'm so happy you ain't listen to your friends, babe. You can tell me how you want it, how you need it, I don't mind. Need you right here by my side,
So
cause
right about now,
and out of spite you hit the climb, but I was hype. I hit your line a few
maybe
more
we should
times,
wait.
and you
We're
hit back,
gonna
I'm gonna
wait
respond.
until
Tell me
after
how
we
you
put
want
the
it.
steak in
Yeah.
and then
Call
add
me
the
and I'm
garlic.
on my way. Tell me that you need, yeah. I'll give it to you night and day. I'm
So
talking
the
about
skillet
Monday,
is starting
Tuesday,
to smoke a
Wednesday,
little bit,
Thursday,
so it's
Friday,
almost ready.
Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, all day, yeah, yeah. 24/7.
Yeah, I'm still recording, baby. What you mean?
24/7.
You be throwing that shit back like it's a Thursday. I be treating you like every day your birthday. Them hoes ain't fucking with you on your worst day. I got you on a new level like with first
Okay,
day.
that's ready.
When you fit
That's
down, I
ready.
pick you up, put on your crown and lift you up. I put a rock all on your finger, so much
I
ice
gotta
can push you
turn
up.
down.
Heard they feelings about you, baby. Told them hoes I wish you luck.
Go.
Fucking
I can't
relationship,
see.
you could be us. Yup, 24/7. This the 411. When you see me kneel like Kaepernick, call a reverend. Y'all got $1 million in the stash for a wedding. If you ready, let me know, cause it's whatever.
I know you in the race,
Then we're gonna cover that up. Let's just let that,
suit up on my
let
birthday.
that cook.
Cause I know they keep it Thursday. Ain't no playing, this is us. Boy, we just going no rush. 365, you the only
We
one
gonna
I
let that
trust.
cook for about,
And all my ladies, if you feel
let's
me,
say,
don't
we're
be
gonna let that
scared.
cook for about 6 minutes on that side.
I'm talking about Monday,
We're gonna cook our side.
Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Tell me how you want it.
Cheese covered broccoli and stuffed macaroni because I have to work today. Nobody wants to be cooking all night.
I'll give it to you night and day. I'm talking about Monday,
So it ends up buttered in. It's been cooking for about
Saturday,
3 to 4 minutes.
Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday,
We'll put the butter in. Make sure the temperature is
24/7.
and it's letting that cook. So we're gonna let the butter melt.
24/7.
That's a lot of butter.
Practice makes perfect, and I'm learning a lot. Don't use my fingers, you know. Want to get that butter running through that steak.
Yeah.
That's gonna help that caramelization.
That's why I think we might have should have put it like a piece down here too.
Okay.
Oop. Okay, so it's been cooking for about 6 minutes, so we should probably go ahead and flip them, or what?
Yep, flip them with them out the garlic.
Alright. Ooh. There's one. Here, you flip the other so I can record.
Got a good try on that side. We're gonna let it cook a little longer on this side.
Yeah, those gonna have to cook for a nice little minute because those are like extra chunky steaks. Yeah. Your arm is just in the whole shot.
Go ahead and drop these garlic cloves up in there. I'm a man, I cook with my hands. My hands are clean. Go ahead and drop a little parsley in my butter for right now.
There your arm. Thank you. You got a big beefy arm and it's just like taking up the whole. I need for this steak not to be on that one. There you go. Need a bigger skillet. That's what I'm saying. We get some better dishes. Oh, man, chill. And we're gonna let that cook for probably like 7 minutes. Yeah, like 7 minutes. And then I still want to flip them one side, then another side on the other one. You know? So these are some thick cut steaks. So what we gonna do, we gonna let this bottom side cook for 10 minutes. And then we're gonna flip it back over again and let the other side cook. Yeah. Yep.
That sounds like a plan.
Okay, so it's been 10 minutes. They starting to smell like they're cooking it pretty good. We're gonna go ahead and flip them. Babe, big hands. Let me get you from my hand. Now that's a steak. So as you said, we flipped it over one more time. We're gonna cook this side for probably about like 4 to 5 more minutes. And they should be almost pretty much done. They should be done. We'll see. And those are just cooking up so nice and beautiful. Like, oh my God.
Wow. Smell it, reason why hasn't it happened yet?
So we like our steaks well done. So we are going to let these cook a little bit longer.
Maybe 2 more minutes.
We're not going to flip them too many more times, just one last time. So that'll be a total of 3 turns, 3 flips on each side for a thick cut, well done steak. So like I said, we like our steak well done.
Nice, real quick. It's a thick cut meat. And get that nice
look how big that is compared to my hand. Like that's a big steak compared to the palm of my hand. We're just gonna add some onions and peppers in afterward to put on top of the steak. It's gonna be really good. Okay, so these are done. That's just beautiful. And that only took about what? 35 minutes at the most. We have mushrooms, don't we? Yeah, I want mushrooms with mine, so we're gonna add some mushrooms. Probably like a little bit more butter, but I want to keep the taste of the steak on the vegetables, so we probably could just like throw it in there and then take it out. Or are you gonna cook yours separate?
I was gonna cook my bell peppers and onions separately, but the mushrooms I was gonna put in that pan.
Okay.
Because the mushrooms will absorb all that.
Oh, the fresh mushrooms fell quarter below. That smells so good. Like, oh my God. Like you should just pour like a tiny bit of that grease in there.
I'm gonna definitely know. Time, but you gotta let it caramelize, you know? Levels to it. You put them with love, it takes time.